Oh, hello everybody. This is Sammy Penguin. I wanted to let you know that today's video, we are going to watch the install of a MAF and a TPS sensor in the RX7. There was an intro video, but the sound messed up. So now I take over. Enjoy!
Alright, so I gotta take off the airbox to get to the MAF. Throttle won't be too bad. Alright, so we'll do that. I got my parts there. Let's get this done and over with. It's gonna be a crappy camera angle placement, but let's hope this works. Probably wind up doing this in fast forward time anyway. Alright, now that I got the MAF off, so unbolt this, take the old MAF off, put the new one on, and then I gotta probably unbolt this to get to this one last bolt that's under here. What's Phillips. Hopefully this little screwdriver will work, but hopefully it should go off without a hitch. Alright, see you in a bit again. Alright, so the old one had a rubber piece on it, so if you're going to change out your MAF, remember to switch out the rubber piece or make sure it fits, because if not, it's just going to rattle around in there. Alright, so get that guy on. Up. Get that guy on there. That was really hard with one hand. There we go. Perfect. Alright. This guy back in there like so. See? Should fit snug in there. Those holes line up and you get no air leaks through the intake MAF sensor. Well, that sucked. I had to get these 4 13 mils off to get to this one little screw to get this stupid thing off. And took some muscle, because that obviously rubs against the fuel rail, so it's kind of a little bit. Why are you barking at me? Here, you want to be on TV, doggy? You want to be on the TV? Oh, evil Ding. Anyways, back to work. Alright, let's get this guy off so we can replace that, and fire it up. Hopefully this mic thing's still working. But yep, there's a little update for you guys so far. Alright, now we got these 2 10s back on, and then the Phillips underneath. Make sure you don't pop this out. I think I accidentally kind of had it angled out, which I might have fucking damaged it. Fuck. Alright, I gotta check on that first, and then I'll get back to you. Alright, so yeah, just be careful when you install these, because I accidentally pushed it out to where that kind of got stuck, but as you can see, I kind of got. So for those pesky 2 bolts back there, I just added a little bit something in here to kind of hold. Let's see if I can set this up so I can hold like the nut in there and it won't fall. And then kind of screw it into there. So got all 4 of those on. Put this guy back. So that's done. All we gotta do is bolt back in these 2 bolts, attach it back to the intake manifold, and just put the filter back on, and we should be good to go. Oh, so close! Alright, so don't forget to reconnect that. Run that one back over under blah 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 blah, and cooperate. There you go. And into there. And those are just to read it. Don't forget to tighten that up. And then we just gotta tighten that guy over yonder way up. These 2 bolts are on. Those 4 bolts are on. Everything looks connected, but it's always good to double check after your work is finished. That'll be all for now, guys. Tune in next time while I figure out what's going on with the RX7. If anyone has any things on what it could be, let me know in the comments. Otherwise, thanks for watching, guys. Have a good day, night, evening. Take care. Alright, well, after a little bit of warming up, temperatures are up. It's kind of leveled out. You can hear a slight misfire though. But overall, it's not bad. Check engine lights back on. Which, I mean, I got 2 out of the 4 codes. I still need the temp sensor. And I forgot the other one. But I can run the code and see what 2 pieces I need. Kind of get those. And then I should have check engine free RX7 that I can drive around and do wild crazy shenanigans with. Alright, baby.